Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the Wildgame Innovations Razer Extreme 14MP Lightsout Game Camera Bundle. This brand new game camera comes equipped with all the essentials for your next hunting adventure or security needs. The black stealthy design and wireless connectivity make it stand out in the market. The 14.0MP image sensor delivers crisp and clear photos, capturing passing wildlife with impressive detail. What sets this camera apart is its invisible infrared flash technology, ensuring you get lights-out shots up to 60 feet away. Perfect for those elusive night creatures without spooking them. With a trigger speed of less than 3/4 of a second, this camera provides rapid shots, ensuring you don't miss a moment before your subject moves out of range. The bundle includes batteries and an SD card, so you're ready to roll straight out of the box. Whether you're a hunter looking to optimize your next outing or need additional security for your property, this game camera has you covered. Stay tuned as we take a closer look at its features, test its performance, and see how it holds up in real-world scenarios. Let's get started. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.